All right, this is me trying to shoot a simple orientation video to how to use the New Life app and directory. You can go to either the Google Play Store or the App Store. You look for New Life Christian Fellowship. Apparently, New Life Christian Fellowship was taken, and you click on that to download it. And we already have it, so I'm going to open it. And this is what you see when you open it. There's 8 boxes here, basically. The first one, the Sunday live stream, is where you go to live stream the service. Tells you how much time till the next one's coming. You can take notes, you can give, you can share it. On below is just other sermons in the past related by topic and scripture. Here's last week's sermon. Don't give God your leftovers. Again, you can download the sermon, you can take notes, you can give, you can download the full sermon transcript. You can go to watch the whole service on YouTube if you don't want to watch just a sermon. And again, related to sermons by topic and scripture. Sunday morning, this Sunday morning, you can live stream, you can take notes, you can fill out a connection card, you can let us know what your prayer requests are, and you can give. Connect. This is where you access the groups of the church. This is going to require a login. So in order to access this, you can see I'm already logged in the top right corner, but you're going to have to log in order to access the groups. So you're going to have to create a username and with your email address and a password. There's different groups on this. Some are community groups that meet during the week. Some are online communities that are only on basically this app or the website. And then there's in-person prayer groups as well, the Tuesday and Wednesday group. So for example, it's a bulletin board here. If you have things to give away or announcements, things like that, you can join this group. Praying for each other. If you have prayer requests you want to share with the church, you can use this. Men's encouragement and prayer if you are a man in need of encouragement and prayer. And then you can see the other groups that are ongoing in our church. So basically, when you join one of these groups, as you'll see I'll give an example of men's encouragement and prayer. So when you join one of these groups, there you can access it here in messaging. And then there's an opportunity to share messages with each other, prayer requests, things like that. You can use this lower right corner here where you type at the bottom, and you can use this plus sign to share, image, prayer, file, media, scripture passage, etc. So just an opportunity basically to help our group stay connected with each other. Church directory, we'll get to that in a second. That's how you can access our church directory. You can, again, ask for prayer, go to our website or our social media pages there. Scrolling down, this is essentially just it'll take you to a form that you can fill out if you're looking for a place to serve in the church. You can fill out anywhere you're interested and your information, and someone will be in touch with you. Next steps, this, if you want to know what it means to trust in Jesus, you want to get baptized, join a group, find a place to serve, or join a Next Steps class where you can learn more about spiritual disciplines or evangelism, using your gifts in service, that sort of thing. You can go there. Ministries, this is where you get more information about children's, youth, men, and women. And then resources. This gives you a link to our blog, to our YouTube and Spotify music playlist, and then some other trusted sites, Bible Project, Bible Recap, Urban Alliance. That's for some local, if you have local needs, Christian counselors, if you're looking for a counselor in the area. Right Now Media, Gospel and Life, Colson Center, the Gospel Coalition, talkaboutdoubts.com. And those will take you to those sites for more information. On the bottom, there's the homepage. If you need to get back to the homepage, sermons. This is where you can access our sermon archive, basically. And you can, it'll suggest ones for you, recently added ones, past series you can look at, past speakers, topics. If you want to scroll by topic, you can do that as well. The Bible, you have the Bible on here. The one interesting thing about the Bible in our app is that no matter what passage you're on, it'll have links to different sermons that I've preached on those passages. And so if you're interested in knowing what I had to say about a passage, you can just go there. Events, this will tell you what's coming up in the life of the church. There you go, if you want to learn more about that. And then the give button is down here. For those of you who've been looking for easier ways to give online, obviously you have to link this to a bank account or a way to give, and eventually it will show up. So, and then up top, basically, this right here brings you back to whatever you are listening to. So right there, if you are listening to a sermon, that'll take you there. This is quick to get your messaging in the groups. That's the search button, and this will give you this. You click on that, and it'll give you, all the information that's personal to you on this. So that is our New Life app. And then you can also go to the Play Store to find the Instant Church directory. And so here we go, Instant Church Directory right there. That is our church directory right there. You see a wonderful picture of Taylor right there. Families of the church, birthdays, additional pages, families. That's all the names of the church. And hopefully you guys will start adding in pictures so that we can put faces to names. Birthdays, if you want to know people's birthdays, additional pages. This is where you can see pictures and lists of our different missionaries, the community groups that we have, the ministries of the church, and pastor and elders too. So this is, again, a way of putting names to faces of those who lead different groups and ministries in case you're interested in getting involved. And there's a nice little welcome from the pastor. And that is it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks.